Look at greedy, y'all. What you eating?
A breakfast sandwich.
A breakfast sandwich. A what?
A breakfast sandwich.
What is it?
Cheese, eggs, hash brown, bacon, sausage, and all you can eat pancakes.
I didn't get all you can eat pancakes. I forgot about this. We gotta come another day to enjoy all you can eat pancakes. We gotta come another day.
I think it's just the American team.
Back again, Raymond Taco Forever and
Life of Chanel.
like, did y'all even hear that? I mean,
Life of Chanel.
I can talk like Michael Jackson come in.
You took all the butter.
I took the butter off my pancakes.
Oh.
Black and white TV. 5 pennies on the big up.
I got some?
Not 2,500. Not 2,500.
No,
Now what?
I know.
They don't even have to look.
let me see. Yeah, I see that there.
They can just, it's on demand.
Hash
I
brown.
forgot you can order breakfast 24/7 at IHOP. I forgot about that. I used to work at IHOP in back in the day.
The new menu comes out. And 20.
So how can you eat onion rings on a hamburger?
Easy. I like that.
You know, you're supposed to eat it together.
He's doing with,
No, you don't violate like that.
he's doing the Fast and the Furious.
Yeah.
You can't disrespect the onion ring like that.
It's a sandwich. You eat it together.
I know.
You can't disrespect the onion ring like that.
Okay.
That's wrong. That's wrong.
I mean, you will, but I won't.
As much as
I won't get it anyway.
fantasize certain things,
If I was gonna get a burger, I was gonna get just a plain
I
burger.
fantasize because he's with
Who eat a plain burger at a restaurant? At home? Yeah, but
At a restaurant, yes, a plain burger.
I told you no tomato. That was your tip for night. I told you later, no tomato. I still get a tomato on my burger.
Don't believe everything you read and see.
See?
If you guys have a blessed one,
There you go.
yeah.
That's how you eat it.
Whoa.
So you know who he is or what?
We get refills, right? Yeah.
But you still gotta pay for it. I thought you were gonna get a juice or something.
I don't get juice.
You said what? Apple juice the first one.
Can I taste?
Yours.
Man, I haven't been in your mouth. No, I ain't been in 90 days. Man.
Yeah,
Okay, girl. All right.
I like the Sprite better. I'm gonna see her miss better. They don't.
That's lemonade.
Let's see her miss.
See?
Let's see her miss tastes better. There we go.
Thank you. Oh, he got extra sauce.
I had to get extra sauce. I didn't get sauce with mine, so I had to get my own.
I told him he can have some.
You can dig it, man. That's what they there for.
Anything else I can do, Joe?
Not right now.
Okay. And you guys have a great
What?
You too, honey bun. Thank you.
What?
Talk. I put it. It's sitting
Get
in
mine.
my
Take that. I'm trying to get mine.
It ain't in my mouth.
Just stand at the door when he pulls up. That's when we go out in that cold weather.
I don't like a leg all that good.
Look, it's hard.
Hash brown, that was hard. I mean,
It don't supposed to be like that. You alright?
that's pretty hard with the onion ring on it. That's hard. That's a hard bite. How you saying it? It's an IHOP Mukbang, y'all. IHOP Mukbang. She ain't got nothing to say tonight. She
I'm eating.
been feeling some type of way since I picked her up.
Last. You just left the casino, sir.
Who eat pancakes like that?
Me. Don't be hating on the way I cut my pancakes.
Look what this lady did with her pancakes, y'all. Life of Chanel. Life of Chanel. Life and time of Chanel. Look at this. Bring your hand. Who does that? Who does that with pancakes, y'all? Please enlighten me. Who does that? Please. She do has an unlimited pancake, so I can eat all I want off hers. And yeah, we might well sit here and get full, get fat for the night. I mean, what else we got to do? You ready to go home?
No.
I mean, you was out the house when you want to go home?
No.
How many order of pancakes they gonna eat?
Who?
You.
When I finish that, they get another one. Then when I finish that, I get another one.
I don't believe that. I don't
I ain't
believe
gonna eat that that much.
I know you ain't.
I'm not.
I know you ain't. I know you.
That'd be the last one.
Wow. You gonna get one order of pancakes. I mean, if I ain't ate all day, I go want to kill that all you can eat, but I had I be eating that Bojangles all day. When you supposed to talk, a mukbang is a conversation about whatever. Y'all tell us in the comment what's y'all favorite meal at IHOP. What's y'all favorite meal at IHOP? This video ain't gonna get us no money, but
we're gonna have a good one in a little bit.
good what?
Video.
Who? What the?
We're gonna do the dating questions.
Who is we?
Me and you.
Hold your breath on that one.
So you trying to say you ain't gonna do the date questions with me? We don't hear this conversation.
Well,
Last night.
when I'm tired, it's Brown trying to talk about anything when I'm tired.
What's your job?
When I'm tired, that's the wrong time to talk about anything. When I'm tired.
What you said out your mouth though?
What did I say? Please
lie.
refresh my memory. Like what?
You said we gonna do it.
I did. You sausage on.
I don't even know if they turkey or pork.
No, man, they're good. Y'all tell us in the comment what y'all like eating at IHOP.
He eating the sausage and I'm eating pancake.
I want a red velvet pancake, but it's not the season for that. They don't have them right now.
It's like Christmas time, right?
Usually anytime, but we in weird old Virginia. You know. How y'all spending y'all Saturday night? We vibing at IHOP. She ain't saying much. I guess it's just me doing a mukbang by myself.
Yes, I'm eating.
You talking eat like you can
What?
do other things and
What?
multitask. I mean,
Yeah, okay.
you comb your hair, talk on the phone. You know.
Are you trying to be funny?
You know.
Put that on your burger. It's bacon. Put it on your burger.
You ain't had that burger.
What's wrong with the burger?
I'm not feeling the burger like that. It wasn't a good try.
I thought we were gonna get breakfast food.
What?
I thought we were gonna get breakfast food.
I did pancakes.
No.
They had a red velvet. I want my red velvet pancake. They got chocolate chip pancake, but they don't have chocolate pancakes. There's a difference between the two.
I know. The last time you had chocolate chip.
You remember a lot for somebody you broke up with. You remember a lot.
Because of who? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
No
move on with
comment
another
there.
dude, and you remember a lot for that long break we done been on. You remember a lot. That's scary.
Now I need a drink.
You got one in your hand.
A drink.
A liquor drink.
Yeah. A drink.
It's pretty good. Let us know what kind of pancakes y'all like at IHOP. I like the
Mine is
red
plain.
velvet.
Original. I'm not into all that flavor.
I am. If I want regular pancakes, I eat that at home, not at a restaurant. I'm not paying to eat regular pancakes.
I am.
That's a dishwasher. Wow.
When you bet there, I guess you get to wear whatever you want to wear.
Yep. So out of all the videos I did this week, which one you like the most? Why?
The one we was at IHOP, not IHOP, but what is it? Applebee's.
And the one I uploaded today, basically. Wow. Why you like that one so much?
Because it was Valentine's Day weekend, and we was drinking.
We're drinking now, Sprite and lemonade.
No, we was drinking.
You want to drink liquor?
IHOP don't sell alcohol beverages.
What?
They don't sell alcohol beverages.
Who?
IHOP.
Yeah. You chose to go to IHOP. You say you want to go to IHOP. Is that IHOP or
What?
what's the other option?
Twisted crab. No. King crab or twisted crab?
No. It was IHOP or Waffle House.
No, you wanted Waffle House. It's
You said
different.
IHOP or Waffle House. I said IHOP. And you came all the way around the world to IHOP.
They want all around the world.
That's a good drive. And now I'm about to go sit in your yard and go to sleep.
That's a lie.
I'm about to go sit in your yard and go to sleep.
He is not gonna go to sleep on my street at all.
Yes, I am.
I don't think he wants to go to sleep on that
I
street.
got my best friend in the car. I ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried about nothing. I got my best friend in the car.
My street is not safe to be sitting on at dark.
I have my best friend in the car. I'm not worried about nothing. That's on LMA grade right there. Got my best friend in the car.
But it don't even seem like it's 9 something.
It is 9 something.
It don't seem like it is.
That means you should be able to go. You should be able to sleep good tonight.
I'm gonna try.
You want to try it? Out of all you had today, you want to try to sleep?
Grandma, I said I would try.
That's all you tried.
I can be in a good sleep and get woken up.
I just for the tab. Bitch, old lady, can we get the tab, old lady? They said, old lady, can we get that tab, shawty?
We're not doing that.
Excuse me, shawty. That big old balls. What is that?
I'm not feeding y'all. I was just looking at the camera.
I need to look at you for. I don't see you enough.
And the
Video.
point is,
Your picture pop on my screen when you
Whatever.
call. I need to take that picture off.
you don't even know what picture you got when you call my phone.
It's not taking none.
Yes, you do.
Let me see. She just did this just for the night, y'all. Trust
No,
me.
I didn't. It's every time.
Bet
you call my-
$100. Bet $100, y'all. Bet.
No. Every time you call my phone, this what picture pops up.
Would you like another lemonade?
Yes.
Peanut
Yeah.
pancake?
Not yet.
Can you get the check too?
Yes, sir.
Really? Why that picture?
Because I took that picture.
You should more than that one.
I know, but I like that one.
Wow.
The background. And the way you sit on the car.
Background of the rental car?
Yeah.
So you like the background of the rental car?
No, the background of the picture.
At the hotel?
No. Hold up. The way you sitting on the car.
What about the background? What's so special about the background?
It blends in.
It blends in.
That's your picture when you call my phone.
Let me
Sorry.
see.
Don't be changing no pictures neither. Sorry.
I just want to see the shoes.
You had on Jordan. I think.
Yeah, white and black. That was my white and black Jordan.
Mm-hmm.
You do know you driving so I go to sleep, right?
Yep.
I need a nap now. I'm full, it's cold, we right under this vent.
Your ass got the itis.
Got my itis, right? Right under the vent. It's
You got
cold.
the itis though.
No.
Yes, you do.
I should have took the sweat off and gave it to him. I should have took the sweat off and gave it to him.
No, you not.
That was a sweater.
And your point?
Get that man this sweater, man.
No.
Dude asked me where I got my sweater from, you know, the gas sweater, you know. Say it's hard to find gas in Virginia. I disagree, but hey, I'm pretty sure you can find that.
There's a Burlington right across the street.
Burlington, that's where I got it from, Burlington. I feel good. I feel good. I gave a woman 6 for my tongue game. I put it on Facebook.
No, you're not.
Put it on
Don't
Facebook.
do that.
Put it on Facebook. Hey man, let me get that check, man. Man, coughing over here and whatnot. I can't afford to get around to a corona. The devil is a lie. Well, y'all gonna see her in a lot more blogs on my channel, you know. These are collabs at the same time, you know. Why you saying that? Like, it's a mukbang, somebody supposed to talk back to me. Like, that little nose. Y'all see that little nose she got? Look at that nose. Look at that nose. No,
My nose is not little, see?
a little. You know another video you can do? The story behind all your tattoos. And then why your nose so small. That'd be a good video. Story back. I don't know your mouth being all on my straw like that, man. You know,
It been right there.
You know, where your mouth been before I got home, before I got off work?
Whatever.
Where that mouth been before I
It was
got off
on
work?
you when you got off work.
Talking about before I got off work, where that mouth been?
Sleep.
See? So all that snoring slob on my straw now. Sleep.
Whatever. Terrible.
I'm just being rainy.
Oh, this money is really cutting me.
Really? You gonna do audio on camera? Really? 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 Really?
No, I scoot back, so.
You can talk back, you know.
Raymond gets on my nerves. And he agreeing with it. Why would you agree with
As
it?
usual. She get on my nerves too.
I did my video today, y'all, so I hope y'all liked it. I posted it.
She wanna come over with that tab so I can get out this cold. My boyfriend called.
Lag in. Lag in. Lag
Boyfriend
in.
called.
What you lying for, Creed?
One check, correct?
Yes.
Yep.
And lemonade, would you like it to go?
Yes.
Would you like any to-go boxes or anything? Okay. And
Thank you.
can I get a miss for you?
I'm just
Okay.
drinking her lemonade, that's all.
Okay. And you pay me whenever you're ready, okay?
I'm gonna take a bathroom break real quick. I'll holler at y'all. Where them keys at? What the?
That's my signature.
I'm finna haul. What?
What are we doing?
To the bathroom.
Yeah, right.
Oh, she can't run out of us. But she'll catch
Do
you,
you
not
want
me.
me to pay for it? Yep. You just gonna stuff the pancake in your mouth without asking. This is what I deal with, y'all. All the time. All the time.
Oh,
What?
she went around me once a week. She tell me
Yeah.
all the time.
I'm not always, man, I am around you.
You're not.
Yes, I am lying in.
No, you're not around me. Yeah, that could be a good video. Story behind your tattoo. What's the story behind your tattoos?
I'm gonna do it. I post it Sunday, so Monday be in it. I only got but 2 tattoos though. 2, sir.
When we went to the casino, $20 each. She turned $20 into what?
58.
$58. So she made a $38 profit
how
off of
much did you?
120.
How much did he do for $20?
Not a DAMN thing.
Yes, you did. How much did you get?
Like $8. So I lost $12 out of 20.
I know what I'm doing though.
I'm used to the gambling thing, you know. I'll learn eventually. Just having fun, you know. Work hard, play hard. So, want to blow some money today. You heard me?
Thursday morning, we gotta go try something to wear.
Who is we?
Making you.
No.
You got your outfit for Saturday?
No.
I'm
I'm wearing this.
No, you're not. It's not black. All
Black.
black. No, it's
Black.
an all black affair.
I'm from Florida. We change the rules at any given second, any given moment.
We're not doing that. Nope. This is an all black affair. That means all black.
Do all
Black
black.
shoes.
We do all black.
I gotta go to storage and get my heels. Cause I am wearing heels.
Your boyfriend hit your phone.
You better be good. I ain't gonna throw this at your head.
Alright, the truth hurt that bad? God, me. The truth hurt that bad?
I don't have a boyfriend, sir.
Whatever.
About what? Yeah, okay.
Your friend hit your
No,
phone?
no, it's not.
Son hit your phone?
Ain't nothing hit my phone.
I know I can set mine back up. Thank you.
Set your what? Yeah, I thought so.
Everybody know that logo. Well, we can go ahead and go because the money right there, so somebody might take that.
Yep.
Maybe a lemonade.
That's
Oh,
good.
thank you.
Thank you.
Out of this.
Keep it.
Okay. And you guys have a great night.
Do the same.
Stay cool and warm the next week.
Nah. That's not easy to do.
Not?
Nah.
No, me
I work
either.
outside, so that's not easy to
You
do.
work outside? You work outside, so yeah. I'm lucky I work in, but sometimes it's real hot in here.
Yeah.
And this mask aggravates me.
I believe it.
Aggravate everybody.
Everybody. But we got to do it.
But you know,
Can I ask you a crazy question?
maybe.
Well, that's not really a crazy question. I just want your opinion. America enforced the mask mandatory, right?
Right.
Why they not forcing to check your temperature everywhere? You go to medical places or senior citizen home, anywhere with a metal detector, they check your temperature. Why they
Right.
not doing that everywhere you go?
Good question. We do it here for our employees. I've been doing it since day one, since I got fired, laid off on March 17th. And because I don't know anything about this, so I turn around and I've been taking my own temperature. So, but that is a
I
good
think we
question.
need to do that.
I've
America
had
need to
all
do
my
that everywhere.
shots. I'm getting ready to get my booster on Monday.
But you
They
gotta
just sent me a
realize, come March the 1st, it's mandated that you don't have to wear your mask in anywhere now.
I'm wearing mine. I don't
But
care what it
they've
is.
been doing that different places
Yeah, for the
already.
longest.
Yeah, but now
They
it's gonna
can't,
be.
they can't ask you for your medical card.
Yeah, but now they about to stop the mask period come the 1st of March.
I didn't know about it. That's new to me.
Yeah.
See, I'm a YouTuber. That's why I'm recording. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Well, we are YouTubers.
Well, you know that if they do that in a couple of months, guess what?
But the case is gonna skyrocket.
And
It's gonna be shut down again.
That's what they want. I mean, they already made it where kids have the option where they wear a mask to school now. What they tell you, like,
I mean,
Hello?
there's a lot of things I got
Hello?
questions of. I used to be a bartender. So let me ask you a question.
I'm coming, cause Marquis. All right,
Why do
Mark,
they
I'm
turn
coming.
around
'Cause
and
he,
have
all right,
where you can't smoke in a bar?
okay.
but you can't carry a loaded gun
Wow.
concealed with a concealed permit. But you don't have to tell anybody you got it.
Oh wow.
And you're sitting at the bar and you're drinking.
With a loaded gun. That's a good one. I'm gonna think about that tonight. I'm gonna think about that. That's a good question.
But I did get somebody not that long ago. It's been about 2 months now. Guy turned around and says, I ain't getting a shot. And I'm like, okay, no problem. And when he said that, I'm like, why ain't you getting a shot? He says, they got computer chips in it. I said, hold that thought. I'll be right back. I was at Food Line when all this was occurring. And I came right back to him. I said, sir, may I ask you a very important question? And you don't have to answer it or not. I said, you pay all for everything in cash? He said, no. I got a card.
Right.
Okay, hold that thought, sir. I said, I see you own a cell phone, a smart one at that. Are you sure that they don't track you? Oh no, I got the location off. I said, that only helps you, that only does anything for you is if you call 911. That location needs to be on.
Yep.
Otherwise, I said, have you ever thought about it when you turn around and just leave Burlington and wonder why they just said that somebody has purchased something in Burlington and they're sending you a coupon on your phone?
Yeah.
So now they know you're at Chesapeake Square.
Yep. So you swipe that
You
card, that
understand?
shows. Yep. Your email come through.
And then now you just went over to IHOP and you ate. You used your card again, didn't you, sir?
There's more emails
I
coming
hate to tell you, but
through. They track you regardless.
don't need it on your arm.
Yeah.
You got attachment in your hand.
Your phone, your
card.
tablet, your card.
Right. You don't pay everything in cash.
Yep.
They're tracking you.
Facts.
If you got a phone, that's
They
not
track
a
you.
landline that you leave at your house when you go anywhere.
They track you.
And name me. I do it, but that's me.
Right.
I'll leave my phone out. My son goes, Mom, why don't you turn around and carry your phone outside when you cut grass? I said, it ain't attached to me.
A lot of people can't live without their phone.
He
Like
said, what
most
if you
places you
fall
go.
outside?
Yeah.
I'm like, then I'll be there until somebody either finds me or I get up.
Yep.
Yeah.
A lot of people can't live without their phone. Everywhere you go, people on their phone. People
I
on their
know, I
phone.
was at a friend's house not that long ago. Well, a couple years. Kid over there. Well, there was about 10 of them in the room.
All on the phone. Yeah.
There's a giggle over there. Then there's a giggle over here. Nobody's talking. And I'm like, oh, okay. So you think we don't know what y'all got going on? So parent looking over shoulder, like we haven't done this before,
I know, right?
and then they're like, huh? I said, y'all need to learn how to communicate and talk.
No, they don't know what that is. It's all through the phone now.
But I mean, you can't. How do I put this? Okay, the school's saying the masks are traumatizing our kids because they can't look at people's expressions and stuff and learn how to talk. First, you got to take that phone and that computer away from them. Then they
Then
can
they'll learn how to talk. Yep. I totally agree with that. But they ain't gonna do that.
They will eventually.
All right, we have a night.